You got the spear in the boat or no?
Spear's in. He wants to put the spear in while he gets the
back
line.
of the boat. I wouldn't go that far calling it a living hell.
I enjoy time with my brothers-in-law.
They wouldn't.
I wish we had a good beer.
What I'll do is get y'all to the camp. Y'all get comfortable. I'll come back in the morning. Y'all going fishing in the morning?
I'm fishing.
Y'all do that. I'll coordinate it with you guys.
Sling, baby.
Half of me, man. I ain't never taken a fish on. All right.
Come here, mama.
All right, that's enough, man.
See what you got.
That's good.
Swing him in.
I hadn't thought about this.
How that's catching some right. James, are you
Let's go for 3.
That's one.
3. Let's shoot from the foul line.
3. Sweep.
Come on, brother. Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Come on, go. Get him. Get him, Chris. Come on, man. Get him. Don't you let that fish win. Come on, don't you let him get on that pylon. Shark gets that fish, we're going to throw your ass back in there. And when you get him up here, you get him in here fast. When you get him up here, get him in here fast. Come on. Oh, oh, baby. Like a... Chris, what is that? What is he going to name that fish? Name that fish.
That's Mr. Red.
Mr. Red.
He's seeing red right there.
Oh, look at that. All right. Oh, kiss that fish.
Son, well done. Oh yeah, hold on.
Right there. Get yourself a fish. Come on, I got it. Come on. Come on. You gotta bring him to the boat, sweetie. Woo! I tried to throw him off your damn line, but I didn't.
Let's get him. Get him. Son. Woo!
he's got.
What do you think, Carey Modee?
We did it.
And what was the ratio of hooks lost to fish caught?
However many fish there are here, we've donated 4 times as many hooks.
That's how we do it. Much respect. Captain Bill put us on him. It was awesome. And we caught about, what do we got here?
About 30 trout, 35 trout maybe. And y'all caught double that amount of reds. Let a bunch go.
Took it to the limit.
We fed a lot of them. We donated a lot of crab. Tell you, Bill, we were coming out here last night. We sat up on this porch all night long, as one will do.